guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carrie Sky and just let's go and see our new apartments.
Alright, YouTube, here it goes.
And what about Wi-Fi?
Hey, apartments.
Because we're working at home and we need good Wi-Fi. What Wi-Fi is that? I'm really the one
It's a high rise.
you know, to the provider. And then if I pay extra for provider, I need very, very good Wi-Fi. Because
TV.
so you can test first.
Nice view out of there. You got a view of the riverside of the city. It's noisy because they still building, but here goes the kitchen. Kitchen is nice. There's a restroom that's gonna be right there. The view is crazy. And they're choosing this, so this is gonna be a fun chapter for me and them, for real. Crazy. I got a washing machine right here. But yeah, this balcony connects from the kitchen to the living room. Yeah, this is the riverside of Da Nang, guys. So we're not facing the beach at all. The beach is directly this direction. Yeah, this place is not ready yet. There's a restroom. That's the beach side of the city over there. You can see the river and the beach. Construction. Yeah, this apartment gonna be crazy. Let's check out the closets. So you like this place?
Yeah, we booked this place. Do you want to be the part of the vlog?
I don't think so.
But yeah, shout out to my friend for choosing this new place. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
We like it too. That's because we rent it, actually.
Yeah, because she's signing paperwork. She really likes it. So
Yeah, and we're gonna pay 3 months in the front. So this is the only thing that I don't like to pay my money.
all of it up front. So it's a 3-month contract. They want her to pay it all up front. How much is it per month?
28 million is approximately $1,200.
Ooh, she know the dollar conversion. There we go, guys. So 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom.
Yeah, of course. We're not gonna share one person.
Hey.
We're girls.
Yeah, 2 ladies here, and yeah,
dogs.
$1,200.
And this is
2
very
dogs.
important because they allow the dogs. So this is why we're gonna pay money. If you have a dog, so you have to pay money.
Okay. Yeah. 2-bedroom, 2-bath. They needed them to accept dogs. They do accept dogs. I love their spot. They got like a high rise in a new modern building, man. I love it. Hopefully I get invited for parties. Yeah, this is dope. I'm happy for them. Kudos to y'all. All right, guys, so they in there signing right now. I guess we just pulled up. James. What's good, gang?
It's good, y'all.
The view is crazy.
It's good to help. It's good to help some friends out.
Yeah, we helped
In
out.
the name.
Yeah.
I've only been here for like 3 weeks, but it already feels like I'm a local, man. He's already been a local for some months now.
Right on.
You know the lay of the land, man.
Yep. So we helped our 2 friends find this place, and hopefully they invite us through for housewarming parties and stuff like that. Man.
That's a vibe.
Catch a vibe. Shout out to y'all. We proud of y'all. Keep going. Keep going.
Keep going.
YouTube, I am back at Kala Kala now for another beach day. Gang is right there. Yeah, she said hello. Let me show y'all all of the vibes. It's a lot of people out here. Sunny weather is continuing. James, you out here? James out here. Yeah, sunny weather is continuing, y'all. So I'm about to hop in, take a dive. Let's keep this beautiful Tuesday going. Let's keep it going.